Newsfront Express. My name is Priscilla Ajimai. The headlines: Unpaid 50 million debt leaves contractors in poor health economic state. Bank of Ghana holds policy rate at 25%. Ghana's resilient economy is still worth your money, investors told. NHIA engages service providers on preventive promotive health initiatives. Government institutes monthly stakeholders dialogue to ease doing business in Ghana. The Ghana Chamber of Construction Industry has decried the state of many of its members due to unpaid 50 million Ghana cedis debt owed it by government, accumulated from 2014. The situation, the chamber said, had led to the death of some members, others bedridden, while some had been sued in the court by their financiers over delays in paying back the loans. Speaking at a press briefing on Monday, May 24th, Dr. Mohamed Enim, the finance minister, said the government has spent about 49 million Ghana cedis to pay contractors. However, Mr. Emmanuel Cherry, the chief executive officer of the construction chamber, in an interview on Monday, May 27, denied knowledge of receiving such money. He gave a narration about the condition that many contractors found themselves in as a result of government's non-payment of the 50 million Ghana cedis loan, accrued from 2014 to 2019. The Bank of Ghana has maintained its monetary policy rate at 29%, citing a slightly elevated inflation profile on account of recent exchange rate pressures and adjustment in transport fares. However, the bank said the projections show that inflation would remain within the monetary policy consultation clause of 13 to 70% at the end of the year. Dr. Ernest Edison, governor of the central bank, made an announcement during a press conference following the bank's 118th Monetary Policy Committee meeting in Accra on Monday, May 27. The decision to maintain the policy rate was reached after the committee deliberated and assessed global and domestic microeconomic development for the first 4 months of the year and the balance of risks to the outlook, he said. Dr. Anderson noted that the interbank weighted average rates remain within the policy corridor, increasing from 28.68% in April 2024 from 25.89% in April 2023. In contrast, the average lending rate of banks declined marginally to 31. Dr. Dixon Adumako, a member of parliament for the Anya constituency in the Greater Accra region, says Ghana's economy remains resilient for investors across the world. Despite the current economic challenges, he said the government had laid a strong foundation for investors to reap profits in the manufacturing sector, particularly under the One District, One Factory initiative. The member of parliament's Accounts Committee said this in an interview over the weekend in Accra at a ceremony to award small and medium-sized enterprise. There's never a bad time for good investment in Ghana. In as much as we think that things are difficult, serious-minded people are doing hardcore businesses and we need to emulate that, he said. On the need to invest, particularly in the SMA sector, he explained that small businesses are very organic in their growth, making them one of the best people to do business with. I therefore encourage investors to support their growth as we turn the economy with our focus on shifting more on SMEs and provide them with resources, not just money sometimes, proper record keeping and accounting, he said. Dr. Dacosta Abuaji, Chief Executive Officer of the National Health Insurance Authority, has called for stakeholder collaboration as the country authority embarks on its preventive and promotive health interventions. The initiative, among other things, aims to address key health issues such as communicable and non-communicable disease, maternal and child health, and overall health and well-being of citizens. It also aims to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the National Health Insurance Scheme, as it would eventually reduce the burden on the NHIA regarding claims payment. Dr. Abuaji reaffirmed commitment to the initiative when the authority met heads of health service institutions to discuss the initiative, which aligns with Ghana's Universal Health Coverage Roadmap. The meeting included the Ghana Health Service, Christian Health Association of Ghana, and the Private Health Facilities Association of Ghana. The government has instituted a new monthly stakeholder dialogue with local and foreign businesses to fast-track the process of doing business in Ghana more conducive. The engagement would feature a survey which will track the progress made on the implementation of measures to ease stress doing businesses in the country, as well as ways to improve the business climate in the country. Dr. Mohamed Enim, the finance minister, announced this initiative over the weekend when he met some members of the diplomatic corps as well as captains of trade and industry. The program is to ensure that the concerns of both local and foreign businesses in the country are addressed to ensure that they thrive and contribute more to revenue generations to the government through the payment of appropriate taxes.